Hey, welcome back. Okay, so what remains now for the messages is to be able to delete the message. Yeah, so here we can click delete. Are you sure you want to delete this message? Well, I do. So click delete and delete confirmed equals 1. So let's make it react to that. So I will put another else if mode here. And all I will do is say delete if mode is equal to delete confirmed, like so. And then we will not be having this over here. Nope. So all we will have is a danger message. But then instead of danger, we want it to be successful. So let's put success, like so. And we'll say your message was deleted successfully. Deleted successfully, like so. Okay, your message was the message. It's not really your message, it's the message. The message was deleted successfully. And of course, we need to give this user a way back to view all the other messages. So I'm just going to put this down here. And this one will be, what will this be? Back to messages. And instead of warning, this can be the primary. I don't know, is there a button success here? I'm not sure, but we will find out, won't we? So let me refresh the page and it should, wait a minute, why isn't it not showing me that delete confirmed equals 1? Oh, that's because I haven't created it. So let's go back to admin here, and right here where we are setting the mode, let's do another one. Duplicate mod be equal to, if it's set delete confirmed, then we will have delete confirmed. Okay, there we go. So that's the mode. Yes. So here we have if mode is equal to delete, then we pass through here, else we read the messages. So for now, before we actually do the deletion, I just want to see what message we will get. And it doesn't look like I'm getting what I need. What does it say here? Mode. Messages.php. If mode is equal to interesting. So let me come back here for a second. Let's show what's inside mode, shall we? So it's equal to read. And why is that? So I'm saying if mode is equal to if is set delete confirmed. Delete confirmed. It is set. So what's going on here? So mod is set delete read. Mod is equal to is set. Okay, let me copy this instead. Copy, paste it here. I want to see the result of that if statement. So let's use var dump because it usually tells us the type of data we're reading. Did I miss an R? My bad. Refresh. Boolean false. Okay, so it's telling me that this is false. This is not set. Why is that though? Yeah, I must be getting blind. Okay, let me do this here for a second. Let me just var dump the get variable, yeah? So this is set here, right? Okay, maybe there's a difference in the spelling, because these are very small things that we may not notice. Yeah, definitely there was a difference in spelling. Sorry, my bad. It was M and N. I couldn't see that. That's so weird. Anyway, let's refresh the page. And there we go. This is what we'll get. The message was deleted successfully. And then it's going to say back to messages. But this is not looking as good as... Actually, I have to remove this up to there. Out. And what else? Let's refresh again. Okay, back to messages. Very nice. But what about this? So the table must always be there. Interesting. So maybe what we might do is just put the table inside here so that we avoid these problems. So what I will do is copy this table, paste it here, and I will push some of these guys inward like so. Yeah. And then I'll come back here and do exactly the same thing. Paste those guys here. Push that back. And then I'll get the T-body and table. Wait, table is right at the top there. But I can now remove these guys. Then I can move T-body up the scale. Push these in for better clarity. Went too far. Like so. Okay, so copy T-body here and also put it right. This is the first if statement, so and if I will put it here. Wait. This is the if statement. If, okay, so I have to put it here. All right, hopefully I haven't broken anything. Messages, back to messages, okay, delete. Now that is broken. So delete is equal to 2. I'm not being asked the question, why? Mode, if mode is equal to delete and is object messages. So maybe the message was not found? I don't know why we're having these errors here. Right. This is the bad system here. I see. So let's use select, shall we? Let's use switch. It's a better thing here. Switch. There we go. So the variable is the get delete. The problem is if it's not set, then switch is going to create an error. So instead, let's do this. Let's say mode be equal to, let's just say read, like so. Okay. Actually, read. Oh, this is crazy. Unfortunately, these are two different variables all the time, so switch can't actually work here. Switch only works if we had the same variable, which is equal to mode, and then we change the mode as required, but this is weird. Okay, so we can't do it this way. Unfortunately, I kind of like the switch statement, but it's okay. what I will do is just put an if statement, else if, even though it's boring, but it's okay. So first of all, I will say mode is equal to read. Why did I delete that? No idea. And then I'm just going to add an actual if statement and say if is set, then of course mod will have to be equal to delete. Like so. And let's remove that. Then all I have to do is duplicate this and delete confirmed. Like so. Then I can remove this. Yep, that should do it. So refresh. There we go. Are you sure you want to delete the message? Delete, message deleted. So let's confirm that everything is working. So click. Are you sure you want to delete? Delete. Okay, but the message hasn't been deleted. So that's a very simple thing to do. All we have to do now is check for delete confirmed, which is right here. And then what to do? Read from the so I'm just going to do this. Delete confirmed, paste, and then delete. Yeah, delete with the ID. So the ID will come from just the way we did this. And delete confirmed. Yes, like so. And let's go back to the class messages class to confirm that we do have that. And it's sanitized and delete. Great. Back. Okay, so that should do it. Let me come back here. Let's refresh. Let's delete the first message. Delete. Are you sure? Yes. Ooh. Undefined variable message online 222. Okay, let's see that. Well, that's because we are declaring our message down here. Who does that? So let's go move this up here like so. Okay, no complaints, I hope, this time. Let's go back and refresh. Let's try again. Delete. Are you sure? Yes. Delete. Okay, message was deleted. Back to messages, and there's only one now. Great. Now we are deleting messages as nature intended. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.